Here at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2015 Road Glide Special in color Vivid Black with a 103 cubic inch engine and a 6-speed transmission. Previous owner installed a Reinhardt exhaust, a tour pack, highway pegs, upgraded handlebars, upgraded grips, mirrors, upgraded windshield, premium audio, GPS, cruise control, and 31,975 miles. This fully loaded Road Glide Special is available for test rides 7 days a week here at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.